The wolf cut is one of the trendiest hairstyles right now, blending edgy, rugged vibes with a modern flair. But pulling off the perfect wolf cut takes more than just a trip to the barber. In this guide, I'll break down everything you need to know, from the right face shapes, month-by-month maintenance, and styling tips to the ideal products for keeping your wolf cut looking fresh. The wolf cut combines shaggy, layered ends with a voluminous crown. It's like a hybrid of a mullet and a shag, offering a casual yet bold style. There are variations. Classic wolf cut, a balanced shag with layers and some length at the back. Short wolf cut, more structured, with shorter, choppy layers. Curly wolf cut, perfect for wavy or curly hair, highlighting texture. Long wolf cut, a dramatic, rock star vibe with extra long layers. Face shape matters when deciding on a wolf cut. Here's a quick breakdown. Oval face, you're in luck. This style works perfectly for you. Round face, opt for a longer wolf cut to elongate the face. Square face, add softer layers to complement strong jawlines. Heart face, focus on volume at the crown to balance proportions. Month 1. The first visit to the barber. Start with your hair at a medium length. Ask for layers with longer lengths at the back, but make sure they are feathered. The crown should have noticeable volume, with the front framing your face. Bring reference photos to ensure your barber nails a look. Month 2. Second visit to the barber. Maintain the layers but add more texture with razor cutting or thinning shears. Gradually shape the length to suit your face shape, while ensuring the style doesn't lose its messy appeal. Months 3 to 4. Maintaining the style. Use trims to balance length and avoid split ends. For curly or wavy hair, enhance the texture with hydration-focused products. If you want to experiment, consider adding color, like highlights or an umber effect. Month 5. Final touches. By this time, your wolf cut will have grown out slightly. Ask for the layers to be sharpened and define the shape of your cut for a polished, mature look. Morning routine. Start with freshly washed hair. Use a volumizing shampoo and conditioner, example Redken Volume Injection or OGX Biotin and Collagen. Towel dry gently to maintain natural texture. Apply a lightweight pomade or styling cream, example Hands the Foucault Sponge Wax or Baxter of California Cream Pomade. Daily styling tips. Blow dry your hair using a diffuser for curls or waves. For straight hair, use a round brush to add volume at the crown. Optional, use a texturizing spray, example Aura Dry Texturizing Spray, for an extra tousled finish. Protect your hair. Use a leave-in conditioner, example it's a 10 Miracle Leave-In, for hydration. Avoid heat styling as much as possible to maintain the natural texture of the layers. Weekly hair care. Incorporate a deep conditioning mask, example Olaplex No. 8 Bond Intense Moisture Mask, to keep your hair soft and shiny. Night routine. Sleep on a silk pillowcase to reduce frizz and protect your layers. The wolf cut is more than just a hairstyle, it's a statement. By following this step-by-step guide, you'll rock the wolf cut confidently and effortlessly. Remember, consistency is key to achieving and maintaining that perfect layered look. If you want to learn the perfect hair care routine, I have made a video on this, watch it.